So Meher का request है कि he wants to eat chicken and rice. It's a dish the Egyptians came up in New York. वो एक कार्ट है हलाल गाइस करके, तो वो लोग के बहुत सारे लोकेशन है, तो मैं तो उसको बोलता हूँ वहाँ मत खाया करो, the quality is very very bad. So when you're drunk or something wasted, yeah great, let's make it the right way. So this is my take. तो मैंने मेहर के लिए बनाया है, तो मैंने पुलाव बनाया है मेहर के लिए, तो आप देख सकते हैं. So this is the rice that he's gonna have. So it's got a lot of flavor, it's got a depth. मैंने मैरिनेट किया हुआ है लैम. ये मैं अपने फेवरेट कबाब है जो मैं अपने दुकान पे बेचता था, मैंगो कबाब. तो it's gonna be, it's been marinated for 2 days. Unfortunately मेरे पास सिगड़ी नहीं है, तो I will make on the तवा. It'll still be very very good. So उसमें सॉस जाता है, एक वाइट सॉस जाता है, एक रेड सॉस जाता है. Forget the white sauce, with the red sauce. मिर्ची होती है, तो मैंने उसको मिला के किया है. तो इसमें मैंने एक अपना कंकाक्शन है which I think is awesome. इसमें मैंने डाला है खीरा, ग्रेटेड खीरा, इसका पानी निकाल के, एंड दिल, सोय कहते हैं हिंदी में. तो उसका जो स्मेल है ना, इट्स जस्ट एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटीफुल. एंड मेहर लाइक सलाचा, सो वो भी मैं रख दिया हूँ. सी वांट्स मोर हार्ट लेटस. सो चॉप्ड अनियन, दैट्स माय टेक आल्सो, बिकॉज चॉप्ड अनियन से क्या होगा, यू विल गेट द क्रंच. So let's just start. The kebab is gonna go in. As you can see, oh, first of all, the reason I'm untidy because I want to try to grow a beard and see what it looks like. It's not that I'm being lazy, just to let you know. So now, आप sizzling सुन रहे हैं? अच्छा खासा sizzling आ रही है आवाज़, लाल हो रहा है. मैं क्या करता हूँ, जो ये इसका असली चीज़ें जो निकलती हैं, when they get crispy, I keep it on the side, otherwise it's gonna burn. So you don't throw this away. This is called the golden nugget. ये ऊपर चावल के डालूँगा, the flavors in there. थोड़ा सा काम करना पड़ता है. अब इसको फ्लिप करके देखते हैं कैसा हाल है. ओह, look at that. This one needs more. This one is, take that out. Take this out. This is good. This one is getting there, and that's getting there. So these two are going to come out. They're not burned. They are just crispy a little bit, right? So सलाद अब बंद कर रहा हूँ मैं. That's it. I'm gonna assemble things now. So मेहर जी का assemble करते हैं. मेरा एक चूल्हा खराब हो गया है, ठीक कराना है. More, man? You want more? One more. That's good. That's good. That's a lot. Now, Meher's gonna get this one. Actually, I'm using the wrong thing. I need this. I think you need 2 skewers, you don't need 1. Meher wants at least 2, I know that. So that's your kebabs. थोड़े से आपको crispiness देते हैं. थोड़ा सा crispiness देते हैं आपको उसको. इसके बाद जो है, I'm gonna give you little प्याज. Crunch, my take. Your beautiful lettuce.
Who's gonna eat all that?
You're gonna eat that. I made a special sauce. Check this out. You're not gonna eat all of it. What do you want me to put the sauce on the side, on top of the thing?
Can you make it drizzle, please?
Drizzle like that a little bit. And then I'm gonna give you a little bit of sriracha. And that's that. Now pick up the plate, Meha. Here's there you go. No bread. You want bread?
No thanks.
Okay. That fucking looks awesome, man.
You want the first bite?
No. I want you to try this. This is for you. You try this and let me know. Try this and let me know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Be careful, it's hot. Dude, I gotta get down because you don't look. Let me see your eyes. Ooh. Is that good?
It's very good.
It's healthy. How do you like the meat?
Juicy and moist.
Huh? Right? And nice salt is.
It's succulent.
Ooh. Jeez, man. You are becoming a freaking critic. अमेरिकन बेटा लेकिन खाएगा देसी आराम से खाओ बेटा जिसको आराम से खाओ आराम से relax enjoy. Oh, you didn't take this lettuce yet and the onion. Try it with all that, like the crunch, like a little piece of meat, little lettuce. No, because there's,
Okay.
it has its own thing there. It gives them own crunch. Let's take big bites. American kids don't know how to eat. How is that? If you see the different texture, you don't want to mix it up. You just want to have a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So you were okay with this? It's good? All right.
It's perfect.
All right. Anything else to say? Cool.
It'll be gone.
It'll be gone. And you were saying it's not enough. Now it's my turn to eat this. So once you're done, I'm gonna make my negative my video for my criticism of my own. All right, so it's my turn. Let's go back to now my fork. You know, plate dekh lo pehle, plate ko photo dekha. Look at that. The crunchy part, the sauce, the whole thing. All right. So first I try the rice by itself. Check the depth of the flavor all the way in the rice. Now a little bit with the crumbs, little chutney.
How is it?
And that is, oh no. No. Thank you. It's too good.
Really? Anything missing?
Not because I made it. No. I love the lettuce part. You know, I used to understand that. And now I know what lettuce does. The crunch. The sauce is good because I love the dill. That was with the kebab. Thank you, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed this.